Chatham Lodging Trust. Ticker symbol is CLDT, and it pays a monthly dividend of 11 cents per share. So Chatham is focused on primarily investing in upscale extended stay hotels and premium branded select service hotels. They're focused on acquiring hotel properties in markets that have a strong demand generators, and where they expect demand growth will outpace new supply. They also seek to acquire properties that they believe are undermanaged or undercapitalized. They also intend to engage in new hotel development on a limited basis, where they believe they can generate outsized returns on a risk-adjusted basis. So currently Chatham Lodging trades for about $13.50 per share. It's based in the USA, and it's a real estate investment trust, or a REIT. They primarily invest in upscale extended stay hotels, and they also invest in upscale or upper upscale all-suite hotels. All of the company's assets are held by, and all of its operations are conducted through Chatham Lodging LP, which is the operating partnership. The company owns approximately 39 hotels with an aggregate of 5,900 rooms, and these are located in 15 states and the District of Columbia. The company's hotels included upscale extended stay hotels that operate under the Residence Inn by Marriott brand and Homewood Suites by Hilton brand, as well as premium branded select service hotels that operate under the Courtyard by Marriott brand, under the Hampton Inn or Hampton Inn and Suites by Hilton brand, the Hilton Garden Inn by Hilton brand, the Spring Hill Suites by the Marriott brand, the Hyatt Place brand, and all suite hotels that operate under the Upscale Embassy Suites brand. So at the moment, Chatham Lodging has a market cap of $646 million. There's no PE ratio given. It has a revenue of $144.9 million. Has a negative earnings per share of $1.62. And there's currently no dividend yield given, but it pays about 11 cents per share per month. Quarterly profit margin is negative 17%, and annually is negative 52.5%. Its quarterly debt to assets is about 45%, and annually is about 50.5%. And its annual cash flow from operating is negative about $20 million. From investing is $26.8 million. And from financing is $4.43 million. So these are the logos of some of the brands mentioned in the description. And I do recognize Hilton and Marriott, but none of these specific brandings. And there's also quite a decent amount of information in the investor relations section, but nothing breathtaking, but seems to have all the information that you would need. And most recent is they announced a strong third quarter of 2021 earnings, but nothing breathtaking. CLDT has a current 52-week high of $14.95 and a 52-week low of $7.44. And this long-term history goes back to 2010, and Chatham Lodging was founded in 2009. So it appears that they had a pretty bad year last year. That's March of last year. But recovery seems to be well and truly underway. And in the long-term dividend history, it appears that they have not raised the dividend since 2016, but before that they were raising it pretty consistently. So 2013, it was 7 cents per share. And then 5 months into 2014, it went up to 8 cents. Stayed like that for pretty much up until the start of 2015, when they then bumped it up to 10 cents per share. And 4 months into 2016, they bumped it up to 11 cents per share, but they have not bumped it up since. And I would imagine that they won't until they recover after last year. But that's all for this one, and I hope that this was useful.